Hey everybody, this is Chris from Guaranty RV in Junction City. I can't tell you how many people come out and they say, well, I'm looking for about a 20-foot trailer that's under 5,000 pounds to tow, that has a walk-around bed and a nice sized bathroom. And you know, it's just very difficult sometimes to find those, but we've got several that are really neat. This is one of them that's just awesome. It is the Apex Outfitter. You're going to notice a few extras on this, which is pretty cool. You do have the jacket bicycle rack that holds bicycles on both sides. It's got the toy lock in front. This one's is beefed up a little. It's a little bit higher suspension, a nice truck tire, nice power awning with outdoor speakers, and the inside is quite spacious for just a 19-foot trailer. So look at this, it's got a window in front, you've got shirt closets on either side, plenty of storage at the top, and look at this nice size queen size bed. You do have storage underneath as well. And the dinette is in a slide, so it gives you a real feeling of spaciousness in here. 4 people can comfortably sit here, storage underneath, and of course this makes into a bed that will sleep a couple people also. So this trailer, even though it's real small, sleeps 4 people comfortably. Really neat counter space. They make this all flat, so it extends your countertop, and you do have a double sink. One side is a little bigger than the other. A nice, more of a high-end faucet. You do have a beautiful 2-burner cook stove right here, and your microwave oven. And look at this fridge and freezer. I really like the new handles on these fridges and freezers. They're very easy, and I think that's important. Sometimes people struggle with arthritis and it's hard to open things. These open extremely well. Nice storage all the way around, and you've even got some pantry space in here where you can put a lot of extra food and groceries. One of the things that's really cool, this thing is equipped with a fantastic fan, which is whisper quiet. It doesn't use a lot of battery power. It will suck air out or in either way. And this is an expensive upgrade to do on your own. It's just included in this one, and it does have AC. And check out this bathroom, guys. You have got a great bathroom. It's got a nice shower, a sink, a little medicine cabinet, hooks for your clothes and towels, and it's got a really nice linen closet here. So you have lots of room for extra items that you would want to bring and store in the back here. Just a beautiful trailer, great quality, lightweight, aluminum frame, insulated well. You just can't go wrong with one of these. This could be perfect. We have a lot of floor plans in this, but I would love to show you this one or any of our Apexes that we have. They might be perfect for your family, and we'd love to help you get into one. Please call me. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.